I got myself a new Leica camera. Actually, it is the good old Insta360 Ace Pro 2, but with a brand new accessory, Xplorer grip kit. So now I've been using Insta360 Ace Pro 2 for a while. You know, it has been released for a month, and it is definitely one of the most convenient action cameras out there with a flip screen. And now with the brand new accessory, the Xplorer grip kit, looking really fancy, now you can make even more use of Insta360 Ace Pro 2 into more versatile environment. So the first thing that I really enjoy about this new Xplorer grip kit, the grip is really nice. So with the Leica lens in Insta360 Ace Pro 2, I almost feel like I have a real Leica camera on my hand. So with Insta360 Ace Pro, what I realized, it's super wide angle. So I don't even need a selfie camera, but with the grip. So I just changed hand to show you guys. The grip is super duper nice, really comfortable. So you can hold the camera comfortably, and I know I can take video, photo really easily with this grip. The shutter is just there. It's pressing down the shutter in the main camera. Cheers! And of course you can flip up the screen, and I can make sure that I'm in a great framing. And with the flip screen, I can just easily change the menu from photo to video. And seriously, I don't even have to extend my arm very much. Just like this, I love the mega view here. And I can just easily film the beautiful surrounding with the Ace Pro 2. And by the way, the mic sound is coming directly from Insta360 Ace Pro here. And I think you can hear me really well. So in a crowded tourist area, you don't need anything else. What you need is your arm, your Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and the Grip Xplorer kit. Oh, did I scare you? But don't worry, because it does come with a really thick wristband. So it will keep you safe by hanging, and also this wristband is super thick. And this metal casing will definitely help the camera protected. So the wristband is really safe. Whee! And camera is completely protected. So if you want a more simple setup with Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Xplorer kit, then you have a choice. So here you can see a little metal sticking out. So it's a little secret spot, and I have a little metal piece, and you can just unscrew it. And then it gets a lot simple. You can still press the button, and in this shutter bar you have this beautiful think bold, but you can actually slide it out. You can put Leica logo or DIY, any decoration that you like. Or you can actually slide a little any other cool shoe microphone like this. Or if you want even further simple setup, then you can actually slide this shutter bar out. And here is the shutter, and you can place your microphone like this. So you can slide any other cool shoe on the frame, the grip kit. And on top, on this corner, I can easily just place this wristband. You can attach the wrist grip here as well. So you may wonder how this camera gets inside the kit. All you need to do is just press here and slide out the camera. So without the grip, then you can actually use the vertical mode, and this magnetic mount that comes with Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is super handy and very sturdy too. So with Ace 2 Pro, of course, you just automatically go into vertical. If you put it this way, then here I am. And because Ace 2 Pro, action camera, wide angle, so really, I don't have to stretch out my arm. My arm is actually stuck here, and I'm actually using selfie stick more like vertically because I don't need a lot of distance. And the whole framing looks totally fine. And horizontal mode, of course, you can put it in like this and use the camera body. Yep, it's sturdy, magnetic, and there's a little clip, so you are very secure. and in this horizontal setup, then you can slide everything back in and still use the multi-mount as well if you wish, because it is very handy with the tripod, and I'm good to go. And I just started the camera with the palm up with the gesture sign if you wish. And now I have already played around with Ace Pro 2 for a few months. I want to share with you guys my long-term view on this action camera. And is it still good for 2025? Is it one of the best cameras out there for you to pick up for action and for travel vlogging? And I do think so, and here are the reasons. First reason is because of the premium image quality. I don't have to talk much because you can see the video for yourselves. Most of the footages I've taken just 4K 24 frames per second, and because Ace Pro 2 has dual AI chip and also the Leica lens, the color is absolutely beautiful. And Insta360 Ace Pro 2, it does have the Leica color profile. So in this kind of colorful, beautiful environment, I'm using the Leica Vivid mode.
I see the crossroads coming up ahead.
And there are many other color profiles. And all these videos, I was just hand holding with my hand inside Xplorer grip kit, and the image is very stable. Even on the low light, for example, inside a bamboo forest or inside a cafe indoor area, the color still looked very beautiful. And the great thing about Insta360 Ace Pro 2, there is 8K resolution. So here I'm filming with 8K resolution. Here I zoomed in by 2 times, and the cropped in image still looks gorgeous. And talking about the low light environment, there is a mode for pure video, and that's excellent for extremely low light shots, and it automatically suggests it at nighttime as well, and the color still looks great. And in this plum plantation, I really enjoy taking photos with plum blossoms in 50 megapixel photos. And it's crystal clear and you can see all the details within the photo. And don't forget, at 4K resolution, you do enjoy the zoom while you're still filming. And Ace Pro 2, why I think it's a great vlogging camera is because of its improved audio algorithm. So this is me with Ace Pro 2 with just a grip, and my arm is just a tiny little bit out, stretched out, but not really. And I think, I'm just walking casually, and I think the footage is stable enough for vlogging. And whenever I use the selfie mode, I always flip up the 2.5-inch touch screen. So it makes everything so easy to view, so easy to frame, and because it's super wide angle, I don't have to even stretch out my arm. I don't even need a selfie stick. I just need my arm, that's all. And the 2.5-inch flip touchscreen, it's bright, so I can definitely see it clearly under bright sunlight, even with my sunglasses on. And don't forget to pause recording and resume recording in the same file, so it really minimizes my editing time. And you can also cancel recording if you don't like any clip while you're shooting the video. With Insta360 Ace Pro 2, I can easily make time shift and time lapse video. And here I'm just hand holding my camera and still achieved a cool time lapse video. So I've already enjoyed a few months really exploring with Ace Pro 2. And this Ace Pro 2, I think this still stands as one of the best action cameras out there for 2025. And now with Insta360 coming up with new beautiful accessories like you can see here, this beautiful Xplorer grip kit. This Ace Pro 2 is continuing to improve further and further for upcoming 2025, the holiday season. So I can definitely see myself keep on using this camera in my travel. The spring is here and the summer is coming. So this action camera will continue to be in my travel bag for this upcoming seasons. And if you want to know more about this Ace Pro 2 as well as the new Xplorer grip kit, then don't forget to check out the link down below for more detail, and see you!